Great for local fishing. Love the variety of sizes and sturdiness. My daughter is ready to go. Good quality and a nice selection of hook sizes, a good buy for the money. Will purchase again when needed. As advertised. Thank you. Good quality hooks and good value. Surprised the packaging does not disclose the hook sizes to assist with ordering the exact one I need in the future. Exactly what I ordered, good quality and price. Looks good, haven't used it yet. Great product, seller was fast and accurate. Highly recommend. Nice assortment, been using Eagle Claw for years. Just right for restocking my tackle box. Have used Eagle Claw all of my life. Top quality fish hooks. This is a good hook assortment for panfish, perfect for starting a kid's tackle box. Eagle Claw has always been a quality hook at a good price. Caught lots of different size and types of fish. Been using Eagle Claw hooks my whole life and never had a reason to change. Great assortment of panfish hooks here. My son uses these with no issues for bream and crappie. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.